Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've got a little Born Pretty haul to share with you today. So let's have a little look at what they've sent over. So this is a PR package from Born Pretty. We've got some right cool little goodies. So let's have a look what we've got to start with. The first thing we've got is this quick construction gel QC02, which is a milky white. Next up, we've got these 4 cat eyes. So these are out of the Light Years Away cat eye collection. I've got those 4 colours out of that collection. I think there's 6 in total in that collection. We've got this Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue gel. And then we've got this Born Pretty nail glue gel. So this one is a 30ml tube and it is supposed to make nails last 30 plus days. Can't wait to try that. So let's get everything swatched, shall we? First thing we're going to swatch is this quick construction gel colour QC02. You've got the ingredients on the back there if you want to have a quick look through those. Let's have a little look at it, shall we? Feels like it's got quite a nice thick consistency. This is like a bit like a rubber base coat, very similar. It's nice and stretchy, so it's going to be nice and flexible on those natural nails. It's going to be great if you want to strengthen your nails. So I'm just going to apply a nice thin coat to start with to the whole of that swatch stick. Self-levels beautifully as well. It's a really nice gel. I've got a few of these construction gels from Born Pretty and they're really nice to use. So that's what it looks like after one coat. As you can see, it's a really nice milky white colour. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it up slightly. So I'm just going to add a little bead and I'm just going to swipe from side to side, dragging it down that nail, making sure it goes all the way from side to side and all the way to the bottom, and then just sweep it up those sides, making sure it's getting right up those side walls. Then we want it a little bit thicker in that middle area where we want a little bit more strength if we was doing this on a nail, obviously. I'm just going to try and get that shape nice, and then once I'm happy with that, we'll flip it upside down and quickly pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then we'll let that cure. Now we're going to look at these 4 cat eyes. So like I said earlier, these are out of the Light Years Away cat eye collection. They all come with a protective seal on them. So you just rip that up like that and then pull it off. It's really easy to do. You've got the perforated line there to rip it up, so it's really nice and easy to do. So I've already removed the protective seal off the other 3 off camera just to save a little bit of time. So this is the first one. This is a pink and this is colour MY514. You've got the directions on the back, you've got your ingredients on the back as well, and these cure for 60 seconds. You always want to give them a good shake before you use them, guys, just to make sure it shakes up those magnetic particles. I like to just pop the lid in between my hands and just roll it, and it just spins it. So let's get it swatched, shall we? So I'm going to swatch them over a clear, because you'll get to see what they look like over a black when I put them over my glove. So look at that. That is full of reflective glitter. Ooh, I loves it. So they've got like a clear background and then they're full of reflective glitter. So let me show you it without the light on. Can you see? It's still really glittery, but not as bright as with the flash on. And then once you use the magnet, I'll show you, it'll bring the colour out in the magnetic particles. So this, like I said, is the pink. Look at that gorgeous pink shining through. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. It is such a pretty colour. Well cool. So now I'm going to flip the magnet round. I'm going to use my paper clip to do the viral cat eye heart trend. Hold that in place until I'm happy with that heart. Just like that. And we've got the cat eye heart. So I'm going to quickly pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds and that'll cure that all in place. Next one up is the gold, which is colour MY516. So I'm going to speed these last 3 cat eye swatches up, guys. Play a little bit of music and then we'll come back and look at them at the end once I've top coated them all. Right guys, so now we're going to have a look at this nail glue gel. So this is the 30ml one in a tube. We've got the tube that looks like that. I really like this silver packaging, you know. I like it. We've got the instruction manual inside the box. It comes in all these different languages, which is really, really helpful. I like that. You've also got nice detailed pictured instructions. Tells you how to use it, what you can use it for. As you can see there, you can use it as a rhinestone glue, a nail tip gel, and you can also use it for 3D work as well. And then, like I say, this is the instructions on how to use it as a nail tip glue gel to glue on your nail tips. So what I really like about this is you just remove this silver protective seal and you've got that really nice thin application nozzle. I really like that. It just makes work so much easier. A lot of you guys will know I am all for an easy life. Anything that makes my life easier, I'm all for. So I've just pulled out a couple of tips. I'm going to buff the top of this one. Give it a wipe over with some IPA. And that will just help the glue gel stick to it. If you leave that shiny, it's not going to stick to it at all. So we need to have that buffed. It needs to be a porous surface to give that glue gel something to stick onto. The underside of this other nail tip is already pre-buffed, so I haven't got to do that side. So we're going to stick them together. What I really like about this as well, guys, look at that. I'm not having to hold it down and it's not popping back up like most nail glue gels do. Look at that. I've been holding that for ages now. You can see there's no air bubbles coming between the two tips. You can see the tips aren't trying to split apart. I'm even shaking it and it's not sliding off. It's not trying to pop up. I really like that it's not moving. I can't wait to try this stuff on my nails. I can see it's just going to make life so easy. So I've cured that for 60 seconds and now we're going to try and pull them apart and see how strong this glue gel really is. And wow, all it's doing is breaking my nail tips. Oh my days, look at this. It's that strong, my nail tips are just breaking. Wow, guys. So it does say on the tube, using this tip gel, your nails will last 30 plus days, and I can quite believe it after doing this little test. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. I cannot rip them two apart at all. That is well strong. Top marks for me. Top marks in my eyes. Can't wait to try that on my nails. So let's bin these broken tips. And now we're going to look at this 6-in-1 glue gel. So this is the Nail Tip Bond 2.0. I absolutely love that shiny silver bottle. Love it. I don't like keeping it clean, but when it's clean, I do love the look of it. So this is a nice big 15ml bottle of this. So as it says on the box, we've got minus 80% irritation. We've got plus 60% chip resistance and then 45 plus days long lasting. These are the 6 different things you can use it for. You can use it as a base gel. You can use it for apex building, nail tips adhesion, nail extension, strengthen and shape, brush conditioning. Inside the box, again, we've got the instruction manual. On the side of the box, you've got your ingredients as well, if anyone wants to have a quick look through those. If you can read that, I'm hoping you can see that, guys. It's going to be really hard with my really bright recording lights on. I think you might be able to read that. I hope so. You'll always find the ingredients on the website anyway, guys. So let's have a look at this instruction manual. So, like the other one, it tells you the different functions, what you can use it for, like I just said. Base gel, apex building, nail tips adhesion, nail extensions, strength and shape, and brush conditioning. And then underneath that, it shows you how to use it as a tip gel. Again, like the other instruction manual, we've got loads of different languages on there, which I really like. So let's take a look at it now and see what it's like. I absolutely love that bottle, you know. So it is quite a thick consistency. As you can see, it is stretchy as well. So that's great if you want to do a natural overlay, you want to build a little bit of strength on your natural nail, because it's going to flex with your natural nail movement. I can see that being a really versatile product. So like we did with the other tip gel, we're going to buff the top of this tip. These unfortunately wasn't buffed on the underside, so I did buff the underside of the other tip with my e-file off camera. Just give it a little buff. Make sure that there's no shiny bits left on that tip. If there's any shiny patches, the gel will not stick to it. Gel needs to stick to a porous surface. So I just wiped over with some IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and a lint-free pad. And now we're going to apply a little bit of this glue gel to the top of this nail, just at the very end, just where we've buffed it. Doesn't want to be too thick. Doesn't need to be too thick. Just a nice thin even coat. And then we shall get the other tip, stick that down over the top of it, and we'll see if it holds as well as the other one did. With this one being a little bit more liquidy, a little bit more runny, I wasn't expecting this one to stick, but it actually has. Look at that. It's not sliding off, it's not lifting up, it's not leaving any air bubbles when I leave go of it. I'm really impressed. So again, that's cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now this does say it lasts 45 plus days when you use it with nail tips. And again, I can very much believe that, because there is no chance that I can break these two apart. All it's doing is just twisting my nail tips. And I am putting I'm putting all my strength into that, trying to break them apart. And it just won't break, it's just bending my tips. So I can see that is, again, a really nice strong glue for gluing nail tips on. I will be using it for the other purposes as well in upcoming videos, so make sure you keep your eyes out for those videos, guys. So that is the Born Pretty 6-in-1 glue gel. Right guys, let's look at the swatches again one last time. So this is that Milky White Quick Construction Gel. I really like that. Really needed a Milky White, so I'm buzzing about that. And then these are the 4 cat eyes. So these are out of the Light Years Away cat eye collection. They're really pretty, aren't they? Really unusual. So that's all the swatches. I am going to do a design using those cat eyes in my next video. So if you want to see that video, make sure that you subscribe, guys. Click the notification bell and click all, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Everything that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. If anyone does decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to use my discount code. You'll find that pinned in my comments, and I'll also leave that in my description box as well, along with the link to Born Pretty's website. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.